Hello everyone, before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Rido Farezi Rodialam. My student ID number is 241-539-4008. And then my study program is Renewable Energy Engineer with major Electrical Engineering at the Bali State Polytechnic. Okay, let's get to the first question. Can you tell me more about your project of giving instruction? A wind power plant uses wind to produce electricity. It has large turbine with blades that move when the wind blows. This movement turns a generator that creates electrical power. Wind power plants are one of the cleanest ways to make energy because they do not produce pollution. For the second question, can you describe about your project of your product in your project of giving instruction? A wind power plant is a group of wind turbines placed in a windy area. Each turbine has three main parts: blades, a shaft, and a generator. When the wind turns the blade, the shaft spins and the generator makes electricity. The plant sends this electricity to homes, schools, and business. Third question, can you tell me about the function of your product in your project of giving instruction? The main function of a wind power plant is to generate electricity from windy energy. It changes the kinetic energy of the wind into electrical energy. The electricity can be used by people for lighting, heating, and powering machine or devices. And fourth question, why do you choose your project and your product in your project? I choose this project because wind energy is clean and good for the environment. It does not create smoke or waste. And the last question is, can you give me a real example and explain more detail related to your project and product in your project of giving instruction? Yeah, I will give you one example. One real example is the Sidrap wind farm in South Sulawesi, Indonesia. It used 13 turbines to produce electricity for thousands of homes. Each turbine stands tall and catches strong wind from the coast. This project shows how wind power can help reduce the use of fossil fuels and support a cleaner future. Okay, that's all for my answer about 5 question middle test. I apologize if there are any mistake, and I say thank you.